guys, just a quick video to show you the parts that are going into my latest HTPC build. We've got the Silverstone HTPC case. It's the GD04. We've got the Strider Plus from Silverstone as well, 500 watt power supply. The Shrunken N low profile CPU cooler from Scythe. I've got these three Akasa Apache fans to replace the stock 320mm fans included with the Silverstone case. Got a Samsung Blu-ray drive, 4GB of DDR3 1333 RAM to go in it, Seagate 1TB drive. The main board for this is going to be a gigabyte. That model there that you can see, I'm not going to read it out. I like this board because it's pretty durable and that keeps the temperature down, which is always good because I want to try and keep the noise down to a minimum. I already had this GPU to go in there, probably be upgrading it soon to something a little bit quieter, but for now 9800 GT will do fine. One reason why I was upgrading to these fans as opposed to trying the stock ones is because these have a 4-pin connector, and I've got these splitter cables here from Akasa again, which will draw the power directly from the power supply and then just take the 4 pins off of the board. And with this board it actually does have two 4-pin power connectors for the fans, for the case fans and for the CPU, which is good, so I'll be able to run all the fans controlled by the board, by the motherboard, and also powered from the main power supply, so I don't draw too much power and end up blowing something on the board. So it's very important to me that this be a nice quiet build, as it will probably have to sit in the front room at some point in time. Anyway guys, thanks for checking my video. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and more to come.